to create a group chat on Messenger. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a group chat on Messenger so that you can send multiple pictures and photos all in one go. Let's get started. First, open Messenger. Now here go to this icon right here at the top, tap on it. Here you can see create a new group. Just tap on create a new group and just select the friends from here. You can select as many friends as you want to add on your group. Now once you select it, you can see group name. Just you can give a group name, like you can give story buddy, or you can give like a Friday party, or just something like this. Just name it and tap on create. Now once you tap on create, your new group will be created. And that's it. This is how easy it is to create a group on Messenger. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.